Bruschetta con tagliata e arugula. How to best utilize when you have a piece of roast beef left over, piece of turkey roast left over. Bruschetta is the answer. Bruschetta is a piece of bread that's toasted and brushed with olive oil just like this, and then you top it with whatever you have. In this case, I had some roast beef, cut very thin, whatever was left. I have some arugula and some giardiniera. I'm gonna kind of jazz it up with the giardiniera. So giardiniera are those beautiful vegetables that are pickled, and you can buy them in a jar just like that, but you can make your own. And although they come in small pieces, give it just a little bit of chop here. The arugula is washed and drained. So we're gonna dress this. You already have the acidity of the pickled giardiniera, certainly a little bit of salt, a little bit of oil. Let's toss that. And we can do a few at the time, just like that. So you can see that this could be certainly an appetizer, but you can almost turn into a lunch. Slicing it thin is nice, so you can kind of fold it over. It looks good. Now, just a little bit of salt on the meat. Okay. And let's plate it right here. Let's do our next batch. Let me cut some thin meat. And the thinner it is, the better it is. So you can put 2 or 3 thin slices. If you have a slicing machine, you can slice it on the slicing machine. I think that should do it. Oh, these little pieces. Bit of salt, just for the meat. Maybe just put this on a side dish. That's it. I grew up with arugula, rughetta, that kind of peppery green. Even as a child, you know, it wasn't my favorite, I remember as a child, but then it becomes part of your Italian, if you will, taste repertoire. And there's a lot of different flavors, you know, more intense, less. You can have the wild arugula, the wide leaf arugula, which is milder. And it just speaks of an Italian salad. So if you have arugula on the bruschetta on a salad, you have an Italian dish. So I think this looks like a pretty good lunch, snack, when you have those unexpected visitors and you want to whip up something fast. To taste it, let me just cut. I think actually that this is a generous portion. So you see, you can cut it even after it is assembled. So let me take a bite. Easy and delizioso.
To learn more about Lidia, access to videos, and to get recipes, tips, techniques, and much more, visit us online at lidiasitaly.com.